My dear student, how are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Omnipotent Allah. You know that our government has decided not to open school and colleges. That is why we are teachers trying to take online classes. As a part of it, I am going to start today's class. Today's class is for class 6, subject English second paper, topics gap fillings activities. Gap filling activities using part of speech and linking words. These gap filling activities mainly connected two options of a grammar. One, using part of speech, and second, linking words. Linking words is one kind of conjunction words, and I think that linking words also a part of this. That is why we can say that the filling the gaps on part of speech. Here, when we will go to complete a filling the gaps with appropriate word, that means parts of speech words, at first we have to indicate or identify the words. What is the part of piece of the words? Such as an example, we can say that here a fill in the gaps on the board. Look, some words are on the boxes, and with the help of this box, we have to fill in the gaps, and then we will find a passage, and we will get a complete spaces. Then now we are directly go to the fill in the gaps. How we will complete the gaps? At first we will recognize or we will identify the word. What is the part of piece of this word? At first, mainly is an adverb word. Lambs, maybe, or it is noun word. Rain, it is also noun, and is linking words oblique conjunction. Farmers is an noun word. Sufficient is an adjective words. Depends is a verb word. Seeds is a noun words. Bound is verb. Nature is noun words. I have identified the part of pieces, parts of piece of these words. Those are given in the boxes. Now come to the gap. Bangladesh is dash an agricultural country. Bangladesh is dash an agricultural country. Which parts of piece are needed in the gaps? At first we have to find out what part of speech will be in the gap. What part of speech? At first, Bangladesh is subject, then is verb, and an agricultural country is noun. Before the noun, agricultural is an adjective word, and it is an article or determiner. This is why we can say that there will no need any kinds of participies in this case. When we will find that a gap or a filling the gaps between the main verb and object, no need to mention here any kind of participies. In this case, we have to need here we have needed a adverb word. This is why I will identify it, or I can say that there will be a adverb word. Which is the adverb words from the boxes? We can say that this is noun, verb, adjective, noun, linking words, noun. This is adverb word. Only one is adverb word mainly. Undoubtedly, we can say that here will be mainly. In this case, we can say that Bangladesh is mainly an agricultural country. Between the verb and object, there will be a adverb words. Okay, number 1. Second, her economy. Her is possessive case. After possessive case, there will be a noun. Here economy is noun. Her economy dash prosperity. Prosperity is another noun. Between two same kinds of parts of speech, there need a conjunction words. Between the same kind of parts of speech, we need a linking words. Here her economy, linking words may be here will be answer a linking word. Where is the linking words? Where is the linking words? On the boxes. This is adverb. I have already used it. Lands is noun, rain is noun, and this conjunction word and linking words only one words. We can undoubtedly say that there is no doubt that and will be the answer in the gap 2 or B, in the gap non B. While we will find that same kinds of parts of speech or two parts of speech added with a linking word. In this case, her economy and prosperity. The economy and prosperity, two are noun words. These words are joined with a linking words. So the answer will be and. Her economy and prosperity depends on agriculture. Here is the verb. Okay. Again, our agriculture dash on the margin. Our agriculture. Our is possessive case, and agriculture is in this case is noun. After our is possessive case and agriculture is noun, our agriculture in this case we can say that it is subject. After subject, we need a verb. Here there is no verb. This is the gap. So I have take a gap, a verb words from the box. Where is verb? Where is verb? Verb is bound. Bound is bound verb. Depends is also a verb. And our agriculture is third person singular number. In this case, we take bound. Depends. Depends. We will take depends. Our agriculture depends on the mercy of. After preposition, there will be noun. The mercy of dash. Mercy of rain may be answer rain or nature. In this case, we can say that nature. Nature is also noun. Rain is also noun. Lands is also noun. But we will take a words, noun words, but that will go according to the meaning. Sentence will be fulfilled. In this case, we will follow the meaning. Here, our agriculture depends on the mercy of dash. Of course, our agriculture depends on nature. Our total agriculture, environment, and we also totally depend on nature. That is why we can say that our agriculture depends on the nature is maybe correct words. Then, if there is dash rain, if there is the subject in this sentence, is verb, and rain is noun. After be verb, fill in the gaps, noun e. After be verb, we have to give a main verb or a adjective word. The structure is two. After be verb, there will be a adjective word or a main verb In this case, we will take if we take a main verb, it will be meaningless. If there is dash rain, what rain? Dash rain. If we take a adjective word, it will be meaningful. In this case, if there is sufficient rain, here I will take sufficient. If there is sufficient, clear, it's clear to you. I hope it's clear, because after be verb there will be two kinds of participles. One is main verb, then another is adjective words. If we give here the main verb, it will be a meaningless sentence. If we take a adjective words, it will be meaningful. Why we will take adjective and it is meaningful? Because the last words is noun. If we give here a verb words, it will be not matched with rain. That is why I will take adjective word. In this case, adjective plus noun. It is the structure. So I have decided, or according to the rules of grammar, there will be sufficient and it is an adjective word. Clear? Then the joys of the farmers know no bound. This is a verb word, but here the joys of the farmer know no bound. This is a phrase word. This is a phrase word, and this word always will be united. And in this case, it will express a single meaning. No bounds means there is no limitation. There is no limitation. The joys of the farmers know no bound means limitation, no limitation. Okay. This is a phrase word. This word always be seated along with, together with, or jointly. Clear? Now, they plow their dash. They is subject, plow is verb, and there is possessive case. I have already told you that after possessive case there will be noun such as her economy. Her is possessive case, noun, economy is noun, and prosperity is another noun words. We can say that, undoubtedly we can say that after possessive case there will be a noun word. So they plow their dash. Of course they plow or cultivate their dash. Their dash means noun words, in this case lands. According to the meanings, we can say that they cultivate or plow their lands. And show dash in type, and show after main verb there will be a noun words. there need another noun. In this case, we can say that noun is seeds. Sow seeds. Okay. They plow their lands and sow seeds in time. Okay. After possessive case, there will be noun words. That is why lands is noun, and again after main verb there will be a noun words. Sow is a main verb. In this case, seeds is noun words. Okay, clear? Our again we can say that our is possessive case. Again there will be noun words. Our dash cannot read good harvest. Our last noun words, farmers. Our farmers cannot reap good harvest if it doesn't dash. After helping verb, there need a main verb. In this case, we can say that doesn't take. Of course, doesn't take a main verb. If it doesn't rain in time. So, I hope that it is clear to you. These rules are also helpful to you. I hope that you will follow it and you will observe the class and you will try to apply it in your grammar or in the topics gap filling activities. Thank you very much. Okay.